Hi friends, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make homemade Play-Doh. Ooh, don't you just love Play-Doh? It's so much fun. Before we begin, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you to help out. Now let's go over the ingredients we need for this recipe. You will need flour, cream of tartar, it's a powder you can find in the spice aisle, salt, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and some zip-top bags. Let's begin with 2 cups of flour. I'll add it to my pot here because we are going to be cooking this on the stove. Next up, we need 2 teaspoons cream of tartar. And now 3/4 cup of salt. Give it a good stir with the spoon. Now we're gonna add our wet ingredients, starting with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And finally, 2 cups of warm water. I'll give it a little stir. And now, let's head to the stove top. Turn your stove on medium heat and keep stirring the entire time until your ball of dough begins to come together. This will take several minutes. There we go. This is looking great. I think it's time to turn off the heat. We've got a nice thick ball of dough. I'm going to transfer this into another bowl to cool. Our Play-Doh has cooled, so now we can touch it. Let's take it out and knead it. Right now it has a little bit of lumpiness, so we just want to knead it until it smooths out. It shouldn't take more than a minute or 2. Look at our dough so far. The last thing it needs, the finishing touch, is some food coloring. So let's separate it out into bags. I have 4 food coloring colors I'm going to use today, so I'm going to make 4 equal pieces and put those in 4 separate bags. Now, I'm going to take my food coloring and put a few drops of color into each bag. Seal up the bags. And now, knead them up so the color spreads evenly throughout the dough. The reason we're using bags for this is so that the dye doesn't stain our hands. Don't be afraid to add more color if you need it. This is looking awesome! Now repeat the same process for all the rest of your colors. think we're just about done here. But I feel like I'm forgetting something. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah, we have to play with our Play-Doh. Let's take it out of the bags and have some fun. Remember to keep the bags close. This is what you can store the Play-Doh in when you're done playing with it. Look at all these fun colors. What should we make first? I think I am going to make a flower. I'm gonna make some petals for my flower. The Play-Doh is such a fun texture. It's a little bit squishy, but it stays together exactly where you want it to go. There's my flower. I'm gonna give it a stem. And it needs some leaves too. Ooh, what's next? I think I'm gonna use this blue and I'm gonna make a big blue snake. My snake needs some yellow stripes. I think our snake needs some eyeballs. I'm gonna make pink eyeballs for my snake. There it is. We should have it nice and wiggly. You can't have a snake that's not wiggly. Hello, hello. This is so much fun. I love Play-Doh. I think I'm gonna make a Play-Doh pizza. Just to play with, of course, not to eat. I'm gonna make a nice big crust for my pizza. I can do better than that. That's not very round, is it? What's your favorite kind of pizza? I like all pizzas, but today I'm gonna make a pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna roll my pink Play-Doh out into little balls, and then I'm gonna squish them down to make pepperonis for my pizza. I think my pizza needs a bigger crust. I'm gonna make a long noodle and wrap it into a circle for my crust. There, that'll be the crust of my pizza. Wow, that was the perfect size. I got lucky. What to make next? I think I'm gonna spell my name in Play-Doh. Let's start with the green. How do you spell TT? Ah, the T comes first. Let's start with that. I'll make a nice big noodle for the bottom of my T. And now we'll make another noodle for the top of my T. I think the next letter should be blue. What's the next letter? An E. Let's make an E next. I need some more noodles for this. That's a little long. I'm gonna cut it a bit shorter. That looks right. Now I need 3 mini noodles for the arms of my E. I really like rolling out these Play-Doh noodles. I think I need some yellow next. Do you guys know what the next letter is? Looks like another E. I'm trying to make my letters all the same size. It's not easy. I think I'm gonna go for the pink next. T-E-E-T-I. The next letter is a T. And the last letter is an I. Let's make that with green again. Green is one of my favorite colors. Do you have a favorite color? Now I'll make 2 tiny little lines to finish off my eye. There's one. There's the other one. What do we spell? T-T! Yay! I think I am going to make something else. How about, I know, I'm gonna make a snail. I love snails. They have such cool shells that get to go everywhere with them. It's like carrying your house on your back. How cool is that? I guess turtles do that too. They like to carry their house on their back as well. And so do hermit crabs. I guess there's a lot of animals that like to do that. I'm gonna make a long noodle and wrap it around into a spiral to make the shell for my snail. And clearly my snail is gonna have a pink shell. That looks good. Now I'm gonna give it a good roll. Whoa, check that out. It kind of looks like a lollipop too right now. Let's finish off this snail. Stay. Now I think it needs a yellow body. I'm gonna make a big squiggle for the body. Now I'm gonna give my snail 2 little green eyeballs. Look at all the fun things we made. I had so much fun making and playing with my Play-Doh today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I can't wait for you to go home and make your own Play-Doh too. Well, I'll see you guys again soon. Happy creating!